Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to add subtitles or captions to your TikTok videos. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first method, go ahead and open up your TikTok app and then just basically tap the plus sign right here to start creating a video. Create a clip, tap and hold to record a video, just like so. Release when done. After that, tap on the captions icon right here at the right panel. All right. If you don't see it, just like this one, just tap on this down arrow key and you'll find captions, not text. Okay. Captions. So tap on it and all of your words will be captured right here. You can basically change the language, the style. Okay, for example, that one. Check the format. Okay. And then you can also remove filler words right here. And once you're happy with it, just tap on the plus sign and preview it if you want to. All right. And once that's done, just tap on next and post it. All right. And the second option, by the way, is to what? Manually adding a caption. Delete this one and then add in a text. Hi. All right, change the effect and then make it smaller. And then in the next frame, add in another text if you want to. There you go. That's how simple it is to add some titles or captions to TikTok videos. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.